Hello everybody, this is Professor Hart, toot toot, and today we're going to continue our sustainable science course. Last time we did garden, and we're going to do that again today because do you remember we found these interesting peas in our pod and they had a little sprout? Well, I put them in water and wait to see what happened. Look at that. That one has a sprout. It looks like a leaf. Let's investigate. This looks just like the cover we made yesterday for our seed encyclopedia. Hello, are you a sprout? Yes, I am. Look at that. It's even growing roots. That was a great surprise in our pea pod. I think we should plant it today. And this is what I use when I'm going to work in the garden. It has our special zero waste heart that represents the earth's heart, the sun, pure blue water, the worm is soil and dirt, and then this shining green heart is our healthy heart. That's our zero waste heart. Grow the favorite spinach, peas, kale, broccoli. Today, of course, we're doing peas. And this is a tool that I use when I'm going to work in my garden. We take out things from our garden library, and specifically, we want to get some dirt, a cup, a spoon, a stick up before we put the dirt in it. And we're going to make an X on the bottom. And then see that? We're making a little puncture hole. And we do that so the water will drain out. This dirt I got from my yard and the spoon that I'm going to use. But I had an idea. If we're going to do an experiment, let's do an experiment with 3 separate pea sprouts. I'm going to change this, and I'm going to get 3 cups, and I'm going to have to get 3 sticks. Let's fill each cup with some nice dirt. And we're going to put equal amounts of dirt in each cup. It's okay if we spill some dirt. We'll just clean it later. Let's even it out. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, that's 3 cups of dirt. Let's pick 3 sticks that we like. We have blue, yellow, and green, and I'm gonna get 1 of each. Green, yellow, blue. And now I'm gonna write on them. Okay, here's number 1 with the biggest sprout. It'll go in there. Number 2 with the medium sprout will go in this one. Number 3 with the smallest sprout will go in this one, and we have to put in our label sticks, so remember which is which one in our experiment. Number 1, you want to have the top sprout leaf showing. Okay, so this is different than the other 2, and we're going to still add more dirt around it. We're going to leave the top poking out. So there's number 1. Number 2 is covered, and number 3, which was the smallest, is covered. Now we have to add water. And we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there's our water. And one thing very important that we need to write down, this is my feather pen, is the date. 3/31/2020. And these cups, we're going to water them every day. And oh, look what happened there. See? When you water, sometimes the dirt gets smaller and you see what's underneath it. So we're going to push him down a little bit. So the assignment for this class is to get a pea pod. You can get snap peas. You are going to collect 3 peas from inside the pod. You are going to put it in a little water for 2 or 3 days. And then you're going to do like we did. You'll see how far they grow. And I want you to water your cups every day, and you put 2 tablespoons of water. And then next week we're going to check back and see what has grown and what has not. That is the end of today's class. We're still doing garden with zero waste. So it is time to close our library. And remember, when the Earth's heart is happy, our heart is happy. So I hope everybody had fun. And this is the end of our zero waste class for today.